Let's draw a bus.
D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Let's start with a line. All the way to about here. And then we'll do another line down. And then another line in. And then another line down. And then one going out like this. Then we're going to draw a diagonal line straight down to there. Next, we're going to add another line to here. Now we'll draw a rectangle. The rectangle will go right here. Now we'll draw a square. Let's put the square right here. Let's color that square in. Now we're going to add 3 lines on the front, on this rectangle here. This is the front of the bus. Next, we're going to add another rectangle right here with a half circle. So it's just a curve that's going to go from here to here. Next, let's add another short line right there. And then we're going to add another half circle right here. Now we'll add another line all the way to here with another half circle. Next, let's add another line to here. Now we're going to add another square. And we'll color that in. Next, let's add a line going up right here. And then we're going to continue this line over, down, and then in, right there. Now let's add a half circle right there. Now we're going to add 4 squares. These are going to be the windows. Here we go. There's 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares, and 4 squares. Next, we're going to add a rectangle. Let's start here, and we're going to go all the way down to here, over, and then up, and then over. Now we're going to add a line. The line is going to go all the way over here. Now we're going to add in 4 lines. Ready? Start here. We're going to do 1, and we're going to stop right at the end of this window. 2, leave a little bit more space. 3, 4. Now, we're going to add 2 more lines that we're going to close these shapes off like this. Now we can color these in. And we'll do the same thing right down here. Next, we're going to add in 4 lines 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll add in 2 lines. 1, 2. And we're almost done. Let's add in a short line here, a long line here, and then a short line here. Let's add a half circle right up here at the top. And now we'll add the wheels. Here we go, make them all the way around. All the way around. And then we'll add 2 circles in the middle of those circles. 1, 2, and then you can color those in. Oh, let's add in a line and then a rectangle. This is the mirror on the side. This is a bus. What color will your bus be? Will you add anything around the bus and use your imagination? Thanks for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.